Our everyday is different. A different way of thinking, of questioning, of learning, and never settling. Our history has taught us that there's always a better way. That staying curious and determined lead to better things. That surrounding yourself with great people leads to great products. And that together, we can engineer real solutions for your toughest problems. Innovation isn't just something we talk about, it's in everything we do. It's how we help the world's manufacturers, scientists, and healthcare professionals forge new paths. To be as precise, productive, and sustainable as possible. For us, precision is everything. It's in our design, manufacturing, and support. Our culture is about seeing potential in moments and in people that others might miss. It's about knowing we can always be better, challenge convention, work smarter, and be bolder. We are the innovators, the problem solvers, already working on the next big breakthrough while we're still delivering this one. Transforming tomorrow together, every day.